Hey everyone, Katie Welin here. I'm going to take you along on how I painted this, or it's just a time lapse, so if you're not interested in that sort of thing. But yeah, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this already because when I do projects like this, I like to just show it coming along. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram so you can watch my stories and see these come along when they're happening, this is kind of a recap video. So um, let's get into it. So I printed off a map for reference and then hand sketched it. It took me a few times to get it in the right position, but here goes. It's probably been about 9 years since my last freehand painting, or even, I've done watercolor sketches. You guys have seen that before, but this was a big one. I was doing acrylics again, and so it was a challenge, and I was kind of thinking it actually wouldn't turn out because that's how much I doubt my abilities, but every time I do a project, I surprise myself, and of course I'm a lot better at these things than I give myself credit for. So this was really encouraging, and I really hope that I'm going to be able to do a lot more stuff like this in the near future. Good morning. So this is day 2 of working on my map painting, and I think I spent 6 hours on it yesterday. And I'll show you in a second where I am, and I'm hoping that I can finish in 2 more hours, so we'll see how it goes, but I'll take you along. So this is where I am. We've got South America, North America, Africa, some of Europe, and I'm going to come down here into Asia. So that's it. Done, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you like recap videos like this, please subscribe. Or if you like plant videos or flower design videos, that's what I do over here. So yeah, it really helps me out if you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if you think somebody would like a painting from like this, share this video with them. So we'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, and before I go, home tour video is coming, so subscribe. Okay.